Happy birthday, baby girl. Every year we go for a short holiday around your birthday, but this time we couldn't.
But we'll take you on a virtual trip around the country, around the globe to meet some of your favorite people and let's see what they're waiting to say to you. So let's get started.
Happy birthday, little Anku baby. I don't think you're little anymore. You're growing up very, very quickly. Happy birthday all the way from Australia, from the other side of the world. I have bought something special for you. It's a red velvet cake. Well, it's not really a red velvet cake, but I drew it. So, hope you enjoy this. I will enjoy the cake here. And you have a wonderful birthday with family and friends. Bye.
Happy birthday, Anika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Anika. Happy birthday to you. Have a great birthday, darling.
Dad.
Happy
Happy birthday to Anika.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday, dear
Anika.
Monu, happy birthday from Nanu.
नानू हैप्पी बर्थडे फ्रॉम कलकत्ता वाले नानू एंड नानी की तरफ से। देखो अनिका, मैं तुम्हारे लिए सत्तू बनाई हूँ। सत्तू खाएगी? सत्तू।
তোমাকে জন্মদিনের অনেক শুভেচ্ছা আর অনেক ভালোবাসা।
गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Happy birthday, Anika.
Happy birthday, Anika.
Wish you lots of success in life, and I hope you have a wonderful day today.
Anku, Ricky Pishi wishes you a lot and lot of happiness, love. Okay? And you sing so beautifully. I like your singing. Keep singing. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Chalo. Tata.
Tata.
Bye bye.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে অঙ্কু দিদি ভাই, ভালো থেকো।
मेरी अनिका रानी बहुत सियानी, छटकू दादू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
अंकु को बुआई काका की तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Shonamoni. I am here. Surprise. I miss you. Last time मैं आपके पास थी ना?
हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनामुनी, हाउ आर यू? I could not go to you this time. All the airplanes are closed. I'll go again when the plane starts, okay? Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday. Have some.
बोले दाओ हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear little princess. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, darling. You are an angel. Babu Mama and Babu loves you very much.
Anika, happy birthday. Stay blessed, baby. Have a great birthday this year. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anku Di. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, happy birthday Anika, many happy returns, have a good one. Next time when you come to Bangalore, then you will have all the fish fries and chocolates and everything. Bye, have a good day.
Hello, birthday girl. Wish you a very happy 8th birthday. I hope you have got my gift by now. So when I'm in Gurgaon next, we are going to play in it, right? So for now, here's a big piece of cake for you. Now open your mouth. Yeah.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता डबलू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू अंकु जी
छोटी सी प्यारी अंकु जी. Happy birthday, Anku ji.
Wish you a very happy 8th birthday, Aniku.
Happy birthday, Aniku. Have lots of fun and eat brookie.
Happy birthday. May you live to be 103. Have a happy birthday. A happy birthday to you. Dearest Anika, enjoy yourself. Have a fabulous day and a super year. And eat as many cakes and cookies and whatever you like on your birthday. Have a blast. Happy
birthday, Anika. Today we have a special song for you. It's called the Robotic Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Anika, happy birthday. I hope you're having a good day. May all your dreams come true. You're so special for me. But not only for being my lovely sister, but for being one of my best friends. Happy birthday. Bye.
अनिका दीदी मैं आपके लिए एप्पल लाया हूँ क्योंकि हेल्दी होता है. ये लो अनिका दीदी. थैंक यू अनिका दीदी.
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अनिका दीदी. अनिका दीदी.
Happy birthday, Anika. I really enjoyed playing Minecraft with you and I look forward to the next levels where we can code and hack with each other. Here's wishing you a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Aniki. Happy birthday, Anika. Love you. God bless you, beta.
Happy birthday, Anika. Wish you lots of love and blessing. May your passion for music continue.
Hey Anika, wish you a very happy birthday. Have loads of fun, enjoy yourself, have a blessed life ahead. Keep singing beautiful songs, and we have some treats for you which we are going to eat with you when you visit us next time. So we have some chocolates which I'm going to take a bite of.
Yeah.
And next time when we meet, we are also going to play a game.
Yeah.
Ludo and Snake and Ladders. So happy birthday once again. Have
Happy
a brilliant
birthday.
time, bacha. Enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful life. Be absolutely gorgeous little girl that you are. Continue to be this rock star of a woman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday, Anika. You're a gorgeous princess. May God bless you with lots of love and whatever you want in your life.
See what we have got. We have got chocolates for you. May your life be full of chocolates and cakes and whatever you want on your
Lots
birthday.
of friends and fun.
Yes. We love you and we miss you. We'll see you soon.
Yes, we'll see you soon.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday.
Yay.
Happy birthday, Anika. May all your wishes come true. God bless you. Have lots and lots of fun. Here is your favorite food, Anika. Idli sambar. Here.
Happy 8th birthday, Anika. Have lots of fun today and best wishes from me and Tana Bhaiya.
Happy birthday, Anika baby. Stay blessed. Enjoy well.
Hi Anika, happy birthday to you.
We have made a cake for you. Here you go.
What is so special about this cake, Priya?
Also, you remember Kelly? We have made this cake with the help of Grundy salt, and I think you know the name of it. It's called Shut 'em Up Shortcake, but I won't really shut you up. But we've used Grundy salt in this. And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Aniku. Have a great day and a fabulous year ahead. Again, once more formula from all of us.
Open your mouth wide.
Open your mouth wide. A big piece of cake coming up. Thank you. Bye. We'll speak to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika. Happy birthday to you. Anika, this is for you. For me and Lair and Lajja auntie and Sanchit uncle. Have this and have a nice day. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Anika. You're a really good friend. And again, happy birthday. I miss you a lot.
Hi Anika! Haven't seen you for so long in this quarantine and missing you lots.
Can't wait to see you soon and listen to your wonderful singing.
Here's the cake for you. We just bake. We can't wait to see you and feed you lots of Gujarati dishes. I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, dear Anika. We love you. Hope you like the chocolate cupcake.
Happy birthday, Anika. I will be having chocolates on your birthday, and I'm having one now. Wishing you many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Enjoy your day. I asked someone to record a song for you, a happy birthday. I'll be sending that as well. Take care. Enjoy the day. Bye.
Birthday to you, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika. Happy birthday to you. What are you eating? Show it to her. You're eating your?
Marshmallow.
What is it?
Marshmallow.
You want to give it to Anika? Give the marshmallow to Anika. Hold it from here. Yeah. Say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Anika.
Happy birthday. Mama,
Big girl Anika, happy birthday. We will celebrate soon. Next time when you come to the US, we will celebrate together, okay? Wish you a very, very happy birthday. We miss you. Can you give flying kisses? Love you.
Blow the candles.
Blow the candles, yeah. Eat. Bye.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anika.